Hi, good morning children. Today we are going to discuss the second part of the textual exercises from your English textbook. Take page number 14. We will write the answers in the textbook itself with a pencil. Now madam is going to read the first question for this day. Word building. Pair work. Question number 1. Some words have more than one meaning. For example, point, point. Meanings. When we use the word in noun form, a dot in print, or writing full stop, decimal, the number you score in a game. Verb. To show or call attention to something. Look up the following words in the dictionary. They may have more than one meaning. List this meaning. Answers. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground, the solid portion of the earth. A basis. Past tense of grind, meaning to crush. Now survey. An inquiry to collect data, a general or overall view, to look carefully. Scrap. A small piece, bits of unused food, to break in pieces. A fight, quarrel. Sternly, harshly, inspiring fear, the aft part of sheep, the hindmost part of any object. Tempting. To attempt to initiate to do wrong by promising pleasure. To provoke. Attractive. To incline. So, here you can use your pocket dictionary. Hope everybody is having your small Oxford dictionary with you. You can find the meaning from your dictionary and can write the answers in the given blank space. Now we will move to second question. Make new words by adding or dropping a few letters from the root word. Some are done for you. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns. In the first column, they have given the root word. Let us read it. Pound, try, large, new, tasty, wise, stare, clean. Now you have to add the given words with it and should make a meaningful word. You can add either ed, ing, er or est. Now shall we try? The first word, pound. Pound plus ed, pounded. Such a word is there. Pound plus ing, pounding. Er and est will not match with it. Try plus ed, tried. Tried. Try plus ing, trying. Trying. Er and est cannot be added with this root word. Now third word, large. 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 Ed will not match, ing also will not match. So now we will go for er and est. Large plus er, larger. Larger. Now we will add est with the word large. Largest. Largest. Now next word, new. Ed and ing again will not match with it, so we will go for er. New plus er, newer, spelling N-E-W-E-R. Now we will add est with new. Newest, N-E-W-E-S-T. Now the next word is tasty, T-A-S-T-Y. Tasty plus ed, tasted, spelling T-A-S-T-E-D. Now ing, T-A-S-T-I-N-G, tasting. Now taste plus er, tastier, spelling T-A-S-T-I-E-R, tastier. Now we will go for est, tastiest, T-A-S-T-I-E-S-T, tastiest. Next word is voice, W-I-S-E. Again ed and ing will not match with it, so again er and est. Voice plus er, wiser, W-I-S-E-R, wiser. Now voice plus est, wisest, W-I-S-E-S-T, wisest. Now the second last word is stare, S-T-A-R-E. Stare plus ed, stared, spelling S-T-A-R-E-D, stared. Now stare plus ing, staring, S-T-A-R-I-N-G, staring. Now the last word is clean, C-L-E-A-N. Now we will add ed with clean, cleaned, spelling C-L-E-A-N-E-D, cleaned. Clean plus ing, cleaning, spelling C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G, cleaning. Now clean plus er, cleaner, C-L-E-A-N-E-R, cleaner. Now clean plus est, cleanest, C-L-E-A-N-E-S-T, cleanest. Now question number 3. Do any of these words use all of 4 endings? Can you find any such words? We can see 2 words here. The first root word is clean and the second root word is tasty. Now we will go to page number 15. Find out. Question number 1. Name food that is made in your home for a feast bar festival. Can you tell some names? Madam is going to give some answers. Payasam or porridge. Then Avial, Kalan, Olan, Pulinchi, pickles. That's all. Now you can write your own. Now second one is when you are unwell. When you are unwell, what do you eat? Light food like rice porridge, then breads, etc. Now the third one, every day what do you eat? Rice, vegetables, salads, idli, dosha, chapati, dal, etc. etc. Now we will go to question number 2 here. Avial is a dish made in Kerala. Do you have a similar dish in your state made from a mix of many vegetables? We all are Keralites, so avial is a dish made from a mix of many vegetables. So they are having a number of questions for you. This one you can do on your own. You can find some other dish where we use more than one kind of vegetable, like mixed vegetable masala, purukku, something like that. You can select and write the answers. Do it yourself. Thank you, children.